When people say something is super important to them, it probably isn't as important as they claim it is.
Xbox, Twitter, Uber,
Postmates,
Netflix, MoviePass,
Google,
eBay,
DoorDash,
Apple, Amazon, Airbnb,
The Apptrepreneur. Hey everyone, this is Kevin the Apptrepreneur. If this is your first time here and you happen to like this video, please do me a favor, click that subscribe button and ring that bell notification for new videos we upload on a near daily basis. Now it's Saturday, and most of the time on Saturday I want to do a new series called Apps I Love. However, we're going to take a small break from that to do this quick but I think interesting story. Because as much as I don't like how much information Google has, a lot can be said about the world based on what people search on Google. Now, just to let you know, I did not have much of a part in this because I search on Bing. I'm sorry. I search on Bing. I search on DuckDuckGo. I don't want to give Google the business for the search. I just don't. But I was kind of am curious, what is the most Googled thing of the year? I thought there were a few things that might get Googled a lot this year. I thought Frozen 2 had a chance. I thought maybe the impeachment hearings, maybe global warming. I mean, Greta Thunberg just became the youngest person to be named Times Person of the Year award. So, you know, I thought something super important like that. Maybe what's going on in Syria, the North Korea conflict. But no, apparently it's Baby Yoda. Heck, it's not even Baby Yoda. It's Disney Plus. So let's look at this quick article. Google today released the annual year-end search data that takes a look back at some of the most notable searches of 2019. Specifically, Google looked at the biggest trends, meaning search terms that saw the largest spikes in traffic over a sustained period in 2019 compared to 2018. In the US, Disney's new streaming service Disney Plus was the biggest search trend in 2019, followed by Cameron Boyce, never heard of him, Nipsey Hussle, Hurricane Dorian, Antonio Brown, Luke Perry. Oh yeah, we lost Luke Perry last year. Avengers Endgame, Game of Thrones, iPhone 11, and Jussie Smollett. Now, it's interesting because I think, to my knowledge, Hurricane Dorian is a natural disaster, and Jussie Smollett might be the only real political thing that got searched for. Unless you count the ending of Game of Thrones political, which I don't know if I would yet. I haven't seen the ending. I just got it on Blu-ray. Thank you, Victor, for the birthday gift, by the way. So, Game of Thrones was also the biggest US TV show search trend of the year, followed by Netflix's Stranger Things and When They See Us, then HBO's Chernobyl, and Disney Plus's The Mandalorian. No Baby Yoda at all. On the global stage, Apple's iPhone 11 was the fifth biggest trend of the year, one ahead of Game of Thrones, but behind the search for India versus South Africa. Okay, there. A real-world topic, which ranked number one. The rest of the list included in order Cameron Boyce, Copa America, Bangladesh versus India, Avengers Endgame, Joker, Notre Dame, and ICC Cricket World Cup. So when you go worldwide, it gets a little bit more serious, but I guess in America we're just obsessed with our celebrities and our streaming platforms. So yeah, this is a fairly long article, so this is funny. Like, these are the top 5 trending musical artists. Like, why is Justin Bieber number 1 the whole time? That just doesn't make any sense. Let's be honest, the bulk of people were searching Disney Plus but thinking Baby Yoda. There, I'm glad somebody said it. So anyway, that's going to be like our little quick one today. What did you think? Did you ever search Disney Plus? I mean, click 111 if yes, 222 if no. And heck, I mean, what do you think your most searched thing was of the year? I think that would be a fascinating question to ask. Well, I'd like to know what you think, so comment below, like, favorite, share, subscribe. If you enjoy these videos, consider becoming a Patreon member. It's totally optional, of course, but as little as $1 a month goes a long way to helping the channel run smoothly. You get access to my private Discord server. If you want more content from me, check me out at Kevin Rodriguez, the Apptrepreneur Vlogs, and Autograph Hound. And finally, we'll just end it right there. Have a good day and flame responsibly.